Hey guys, it is Mark Coe for the 28th of June. Just wanted to take a look at the day, give a little review, see what we're seeing today. So on the short term that we've really been focused on, another pretty decent day here. This is me in crude oil and S&Ps. So made some money in both of those markets, the majority of it in a short off the top in crude. But I just wanted to show you kind of what I'm seeing and where it's coming from. Again, just had some new folks that joined the class this week. I think are real happy at their yearly subscription of $500 a year because a lot of them have told me they've paid for it multiple times, and here we are on a Thursday. So I always love hearing stories like that. Some people get it quicker than others, but it's there for everybody. So let's take a look at it. So first, I have E-minis. E-minis come in on a pretty weak footing to start the U.S. session. We start getting some buy opportunities down here in the 2690 area. I think it was 97s is the first place it gave an opportunity. Got a rotation up to about 10, maybe 9, and then back lower gives a second opportunity. So here's what we're looking at. Here's kind of the levels you get from it, right? So the levels, the idea of levels is that the market has shown you at some point in history spots that the market cannot trade lower or trade higher. And we're simply referencing those if we've gotten a rotation off of them. And that's what you'll see marked here. So 25th of June, consolidation, market breaks lower. It trades 2745 to 2700. 2700 trades back to what you guessed it, 2745, which then again trades back to 2700. So this is the move that suckers a lot of people in. The quick move below the level that puts everybody kind of on edge and says, okay, we're actually going lower. Not so fast. Rejection off of that level. This is now tap back into that 2700. So we actually had pretty decent buy side, and I'll show you the trade just on a faster chart. Really nice buy side at 03. So this is later in the day. Here's the trade. You can see highlighted with the one. That's the initiation of long trade. Again, these signals are all in the room. They're broadcast all throughout the trading day. So there's your buy signal with the one. This rotates 2703. It eventually gets a high of 26, and the maturity count up here at 18.5. So somewhere between a $750 to $1,000 move was available there. You can see late in the day it's getting sell count off of 2720s. But this is the kind of stuff we're looking at and focused on. And again, this is just shorter term stuff. I'm not even getting into the bigger picture levels, but it's been real nice because a lot of folks are trying to aim and catch that shorter term move and really build up some P&L. And this has really been good for people that maybe don't have quite as large a capital in their account because we're doing this with one contract, and so ultimately in taking one position it really keeps your exposure a little more limited. So definitely nice there. Crude oil, I mentioned the other market that I was able to find some trade out of today. Now I have to tell you, crude did not start out quite as nice because kept getting sell signals, and it was really a fading market. So there were a couple sell opportunities in here, but I'll show you where it got nice. Eventually got some sell side off right up here, somewhere right in that vicinity, and it was this move lower that was a big move in crude. And as I said, this was kind of a bigger trade for me within that. Crude. So I was able to actually get some position on there, and fortunately was able to take some off and book some profits. So ultimately, crude has been a very trendy market to the top side, and certainly until you see that stop, it's you have to understand what you're doing. You're looking at fade side activity. You're making moves higher. You're balancing higher. Now I would expect to see it a little more challenging to really extend the gains above 74. But again, not calling a top to the market, just finding spots to be able to act. So definitely come check it out. As I said, we're in here every day broadcasting. So I hope you guys give us a look, and we'll talk to you soon. I hope everybody has a nice long weekend. I guess we won't start the weekend too early, but we definitely have the 4th of July holiday next week, so would expect to see a little slowdown in trading in and around that holiday. So until then, cheers, and we'll talk to you guys soon.